Let me guess, you're probably thinking that I'm lying when I said I deleted my channel. Well, you are half right. This is how my old YouTube channel looks like, and this is how my current YouTube channel looks like. Subscribers back down to 0, all of the videos are gone, and everything is gone. My name is Aaron. I'm on a journey to earning $30,000 a month, and this is where I share what I have learned with you. In this second episode, we'll be going through did I actually delete my channel, why did I do it, and what's the plan for the future. So what do I mean that you are kind of right whenever I said that I didn't actually delete my channel? Instead of deleting my channel, I created a second channel and brought all my latest videos to it. So no, I didn't actually delete my somewhat relevant channel because that would be a little insane. I just separated it because initially I was making videos that is revolved around the gaming niche, which eventually led to a single viral video. Now, most of my audience know me as the FPS optimization guy through that one video alone. And that one video is still getting thousands of views every day, which means that YouTube would recommend my future videos to those type of audiences more often. However, I'm no longer interested in the gaming/optimization niche, which led me to rebrand my entire channel to the self-improvement niche. Think Ali Abdaal or David Goggins type of videos. Unfortunately, that was a bad decision. I was getting some views just because my existing subscribers want to support me, but most of them aren't interested in this topic at all. I mean, that makes sense, right? Even when I was playing games religiously pretty much, I didn't care about actually improving the characters in real life. I just want to improve the characters in the gaming world. But anyways, I didn't stop. I kept making videos in the self-improvement niche on that channel with hopes that one day it will get better. Well, as you probably might have guessed, it never did. And I took a step back to rethink as to why I didn't just start a second channel in the first place. The answer is actually quite simple. It's something that holds people back from chasing their dreams ever since humanity existed: fear. I was afraid that I can't achieve the same level of success as I previously did, and that one video might have just been a fluke. And I kept lying to myself, comforting myself by saying that, oh, at least I'm still getting a few thousand views for each of my uploads. But deep down, I know that this is not the right decision. Fast forward until now, I changed my first channel back to what it originally was, which is now going to be a tech/optimization channel. And my second channel would be focusing on self-improvement videos. You probably heard of this phrase, the person who chases two rabbits catches neither. I feel like that might be what I'm doing now. Juggling between two channels isn't an easy task, especially when both are in a completely different niche. And to be honest, I was actually considering to stop making videos on one of the channels, but I feel like that isn't the right choice either. The main reason why I stopped making videos on the gaming niche is because I wasn't interested in the topic, and I'm a big believer on not doing the things that you don't like in this short life. Fortunately, for better or worse, money is an important aspect of life, and I now know that I have to keep making those videos to survive. And another thing I was considering is pretty much just stop making videos completely, because I noticed that I don't like creating content. I don't like the editing aspect of it. I don't like to script write. I don't like to record. I pretty much dislike the whole process. However, I'm unsure if I'm feeling this way because I'm failing terribly at it now, or is it because I genuinely hate it, or because I simply dislike the tech/gaming niche. So that's where the self-improvement videos come in. Self-improvement is truly something I'm passionate about, and it's something I never want to stop ever in my whole entire life. I love to constantly improve myself, whether it's physically, mentally, emotionally, literally anything that can be improved or learned. I would love to do it. And by combining my only high income skill, which is creating content, and my passion together into one, that's when I truly will know myself. So when I achieve success through creating videos about my passion and I still hate making videos, that's when I know creating content is really something that I dislike. In summary, I'll be treating the tech channel as my typical 9 to 5 job, just doing what is necessary to earn a living and else. And for the self-improvement channel, I would consider it as my passion finding process. So more experiments and pretty much just trying to enjoy making videos. Having this clarity just helps me so much. Finally, no more doubt whenever I make my videos, and I can just focus on the things that truly matter. So if you're ever in a situation where you doubt the path that you have taken, just take a step back and really think about the choices that you have made. Don't be afraid to take the leap, and deep down you know that it is the right choice. David Goggins is one of the toughest men in the planet, and his second book, Never Finish, is one of the best for helping us to be more disciplined. Click on this video to see my summarization of the entire book in just 18 lines. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.